Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be doing a sound check on my DEP exhaust system. It normally has a little DEP sticker on the end can, which you'll see in photos, but that came off in a off-road crash. So thank you to Hellboy3 for suggesting this. He suggested it a couple of weeks ago and I've just got around to doing it now. So I found a relatively quiet road, it's a bit windy, hopefully we can get some good results. So that was the sound check. It's not the best sounding exhaust, it does sound quite stock, but it's decent. It's got a stock downpipe as well, so with an aftermarket full system it's going to sound better. But yeah, it sounds alright. In terms of stuff coming up, I've got some cool ideas for the bike. I'm going to turn it into a modern retro type Supermoto. So I'm going to go bulbs at the back, kind of old motocross style dual bulbs for the rear tail light. I'm going to change some other stuff. I'll do a video on that, but over the next few weeks I'm going to be buying some bits and putting that together, so hopefully that'll be quite cool. The bike doesn't look normal today because it's in its enduro plastics with these Etnesis stickers. They're not that cool. I'm going to take those off and put some other ones on, but they can get all scratched up. If you want to know more about exhausts and modifications, check out my power and performance mods video. I'll put the link up in the corner now. Check that out. You can learn stuff about what exhaust to buy, what performance mods you can do to do with the engine and stuff, so check that out if you want to know a bit more about that. I've got the brake upgrades video, which is essentially the same as the performance mods but for brakes, so just a walkthrough of good brake upgrades, well, all brake upgrades actually. Check out my DRZ tour of France to see some cool touring footage and prove that you can tour on a Supermoto. That was fun, interesting video, check that out. Cool.